Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we have a product that a lot of you may or may have not seen before, but is the iPORT Launch. And what it is they make several different versions for the iPad. It's pretty much a fancy iPad case, I guess. They make an in-wall version and an on-wall version, and several different types of cases that go around the multiple different models of iPads, whether it's an iPad mini, iPad Pro, those sort of things. So this has two parts. The one we're showing you today is going to be the on-wall version. So there's two parts. There is the part that mounts on the wall, and what's really cool about this, guys, is that it has induction charging. So no matter how you put it on the wall, it's going to charge the iPad. And like I said, this is just a iPad charger. You can use any iPad with the case, and because the sleeve has the other part of the magnet for it to stick to. So let me show you what it comes with first. We have this part which gets mounted to the wall. Take it out of the case so you guys can see it, or the plastic here. There you go. See, it's just a round piece that mounts. On the back side, it's where you'll screw it to the wall. It comes with a template, so you can use these two or these four holes here to screw it to the wall. And then it's just a simple two conductor. It actually comes with one, so you can mount this two different ways. You can just run it straight down a wall, cut your little single gain hole like you would for a single gain plate. And then it comes with one of these things. So inside the wall will be a two conductor that'll go from the back of this piece, go down the wall to this piece here for power. And then it comes with a little wall wart. Here's your little two conductor wire that comes with, so it goes right straight down the wall if you want to do it that way. And obviously it's got your mounting instructions, your mounting template. It's got all the hardware you need. Comes with all the screws, plastic wall anchors, so it makes it nice and clean. And then comes with a power cord. Let me get it out of the box here. Power cord right there. So this would plug in to this plate. So you would install this right next to an existing outlet. So bring the two conductor down the wall, goes in the back of this plate so it's nice and clean, and then you use that simple power adapter to plug into this right into an outlet. Again, guys, this is just a iPad holder slash charger. It does what they call induction charging. So let me show you the case real fast. And this particular case, and by the way, guys, these cases and these charging docks that goes on the wall can come in white or black. So this one is in white, and the case here, let me show you real fast, is also in white. Now it's kind of a hard plastic case, so it's actually pretty tough. So I'm gonna open this up, show you guys how this kind of works. I mean, I realize it's just a case, but this back piece right here pulls off. If I take this other piece out, let's see here, get this piece out of here. Let's got this plastic piece. All right, there we go. So it comes off of two pieces. I'll leave this here, but you'll slide your new iPad into here, and if you can see this, guys, there's a little connector in here that your existing iPad will have, and then that's how it's able to see this little circle dot right here. This is the induction charging port on the back. You know, that goes onto this plate that'll be on the wall. So super easy. You slide your iPad in there, and then take this little piece here and slide it on the edge, and bada bing. And then it matches. You know, you got your openings here for your on-off and volume and all that kind of stuff at the top. So, and like I say, guys, these will be matched to whatever model that you guys get. So, like I said, this is the white version, and we have a black one already installed on the wall, just so we can show you a working one. So again, it's got the induction charging deal in the back. You know, places for the power and volume up and down knobs, all that kind of stuff. So you can just walk around with this, and it's going to be protected because it's already got a case around it. And then when you're done, you want it to charge, just like that, and you can hear it beep, letting you know that it's charging. Now, because it is induction charging, it doesn't matter which way you put it. If you want to go landscape or portrait, doesn't matter. I mean, it can be any way you want it. So, which makes it super nice. You may really like, you know, certain apps or certain things showing up in portrait mode. Leave it like that. Or maybe you like, you know, whatever you're using it for. Sometimes we use these for a control system. So instead of an actual touch panel, we'll put an iPad on the wall. Matter of fact, the client that we're installing this for, we're installing it for a control system that we're doing. And so we did a touch panel in one room, but he wanted an iPad in another room. So he wanted to be able to not only control his system, but also be able to use an iPad as an iPad to do all kinds of fun stuff with. And so having an easy pull off the wall, go do what you need to do, and then when you're done, set it right back on the wall just like that to charge. Super easy, guys. Hey, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Just a quick short video on something cool that you may or may not known about. But if you like it, hit that like button, subscribe, it means a lot. Hey guys, we just passed 300 for those of you guys that helped us out get there. Really do appreciate it. We're hoping for more, of course, and a lot more videos coming out. We'll show you the install video of this coming up. We got that coming down the road, and then we have a bunch of really cool videos in the works as well. So hope you guys are ready for the new year. Hope you had a Merry Christmas, and until next time, see you guys.